Bonjour. Now you must be wondering that I'm gonna introduce myself and today I'm going to teach and all of that stuff. But there is no need for it. You are watching this video for a reason, to learn French. And obviously you must have read the title about what I'm going to do and my name. As you know, my channel's name is Apprendre le français est amusant, which means learning French is fun. We already know a lot of things. This is the same concept we have to use in learning French. According to one's estimate, there are over 7,500 French words that are being used in English. That means that you are aware of a lot of French words as you are aware of my name and what I'm going to do. We have already done the what part. The question that we need to ask ourselves is why. Why do we need to learn French? There is no problem of having that doubt. Everyone judges the book and then only buys it. There can be a million of reasons to learn French. Some people choose French because it is spoken in so many countries. Others enjoy exploring the rich literary, historical, and cultural traditions of the French-speaking world. French is the second most useful language in the world for business. Some people learn it because studying French makes you smarter. But the reason that I learn French and I'm teaching you all is because French is the pleasure of learning a beautiful, rich, melodious language that is often called the language of love. Learning French was an amazing journey for me, and I hope it will be for you too. So, fingers crossed. All you have to do is to develop curiosity, passion for learning a new language. My main motive is to create these learning videos and share my knowledge to inspire, motivate, encourage, and educate learners. As they say, learning never stops. This channel is created to learn French language with fun and in an easy way. Perfect. Too often people worry about getting things perfect. It's good to remember that perfect is just an illusion. If you start with perfection in mind, it will paralyze your creative process and you will struggle to begin. So, my advice to you will be to look for progress, not perfection, as Bill Phillips once said. You don't understand anything until you learn it more than one way. Cramming French words is a waste of time. You have to understand it and use it in your daily life. Discuss what you have learned with your parents, and then only you will be able to create a passion for learning French. Okay, enough lectures. Let's jump into the world of learning French. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Merci. Thank you.